In today's video, I'm going to be trying to fix my girlfriend's Mark II KA's exhaust because it currently sounds like this. Using this second-hand one I found on eBay for £35. So guys, the reason why I'm a little bit I'm in an hour about whether this works or not is because this is completely different to what's currently on here, because I learned that somewhere around 2012 Ford switched from Euro 4 to Euro 5, and I think the exhausts are a little bit different. I cannot seem to find this one on the internet anywhere for some reason, don't know why, so we're having to use one from a later model which is split into two sections from here onwards. This one is a full front to back system, one whole piece. Really silly design if I'm completely honest with you. This one's a little bit better, but it does mean we have to try and cut some things. So first of all, I'm going to get this in the air and actually show you what is the problem here, because it's quite catastrophic, the reason why it's blowing so loud. So welcome to the underside of the KA, guys. Here's the exhaust. You can see what I mean, it's one whole piece. And just here is the bodged fix that I did to stop this rear piece completely falling off. As you can see, it is completely rotten through. There's nothing I could have done about it. It just needed a whole new section put in. So gonna first get this off. There's a hanger here and one just here on the other side, and then obviously the back section is not actually held on this, but if you were working on a 2012 model, it's connected right at the front, unlike this piece here which has the join, which is what we're going to have to try and work out where that's going. But I'm 99% sure this pipe is the same diameter and will fit inside here. So let's get this back piece off. So guys, if you're new to exhaust rubbers, little trick, bit of WD-40 on them. Really does aid in getting them off. For some reason it just helps them slide completely off the mount quite easy. I mean, obviously it's cars, so I say easy, it's not like riding a bike, but so obviously up close you can see this old piece, and it's still got the end of that exhaust in. This is where the join would be on that exhaust up there, and then they changed for some reason to this one back here. But like I said, for some reason I cannot seem to find the exhaust that's on that car, but it wouldn't make a difference anyway because the end of it is stuck in here. So we're gonna have to modify this KA a little bit, just to save time and money. But yeah, I'm hoping that it all fits, because I know they're a different shape, but the exhaust pipe comes out in exactly the same spot. The mounting points are the same. So yeah, let's sort of offer up and see where we need to cut on the main exhaust. Right, so I've offered it up and it runs the exact same position. And I'm gonna have to cut somewhere here. So this part can then slot into here, and I can put a clamp on here, and then obviously it will hang back up in position properly. So yeah, what I'm going to do now is get my rip saw and trim the old exhaust off and see how we look. If I need to cut more, then I can cut more, but for now we'll just cut this endy bit off. So I've been able to cut it on that pipe, and it does actually fit. So now what I can do is put a band around it, and hopefully that'll hold it, because it's quite sturdy in there. I'm quite happy with that fit, and where I cut was exactly where I needed to. So I'm going to put one of those.
Sorry. No, please don't film me.
I'm going to put one of wherever I put the bands round on that join, and we'll fire up and see how she sounds. Hopefully not like a boy racer anymore, eh?
Stop filming me. Oh.
Right, so I've got a band to go on. Now I'm hoping I can just clamp it on, and that should be that. If not, babe, we'll crack the welder out, eh? Not that my welding skills are anything to shout home about. It does, it gets the job done, you're right. Okay guys, moment of truth. Clamps on, hangers are back in place. It's now time to start the car.
Well, hey, it works.
Yeah!
Success.
She's still blowing a tiny bit.
She's a lot better than
That's
she
a lot
was.
better than it was.
Oh, did you just twat your head?
Yeah.
We done it.
I mean, we.
I'm sorry.
I've done it.
We done it.
We.
You're gonna give it a rev.
Yeah, it's a hell of a lot better.
That's a hell of a lot
It's
better.
still blowing a tiny weeny bit.
But compared to how it used to
I think
be.
you've got a leak on the front as well though.
Probably. She's a bit, I don't know, she's a bit of a shitbox. But compared to how she used to be,
It's fine.
it's so much better.
So there we go guys, the KA is fixed. Considering how badly blown this exhaust was, and it was very loud.
Sounded a bit like a sports car gone wrong.
It didn't, well yeah, the gone wrong bit, it didn't sound like a sports car.
No, the gone wrong.
It sounded like a part of a sports car.
Bom, bom.
Yeah. But yeah guys, that's really simple fix. Hopefully it will see us for the foreseeable. 30 quid, and it's better than maybe the 140 we might have had to spend.
And realistically, it hasn't taken you like
It hasn't taken me too long. It's taken me about an hour to do that. Yes, specialised tool probably was involved, but
I think you just love any excuse to get it out.
I love the ripsaw. It's my favourite thing. You can cut through small planets with it. Yeah guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed coming along here for a little, I wouldn't say it's a how-to guide, but it's definitely a bodge guide. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, don't forget to like the video, and I will see you in my next one. Keep enjoying your crusty, rusty cars and modified cars that you have to fix or repair daily. Take care, I'll see you in my next one.